Today I'm going to be doing a little sound comparison on my 7.3 Powerstroke from stock split shot injectors to full force diesel 180/30 single shot injectors. We're going to see how it sounds from a couple different standpoints, and we're also going to do a 0 to 50 real quick. So as you can see, the truck's definitely faster after that performance there, and even with it being so wet out, the tires were slipping a little bit. I didn't have the best run there, but it is way faster. It performs way better. So I want to keep it short and simple with this video. I have not seen really a video comparing single shot to split shot from a sound comparison, and I just wanted to throw in a performance from 0 to 50 real quick, but I'm going to do more videos on this setup. The truck has a KC turbo 300X stage 2 turbo, and now it has these injectors. It literally flies down the road. It's incredible how much of a difference these things make to your 7.3 Powerstroke. I will link them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe down below, and I will see you all later. Have a good day.